How to check graphics card in Windows 11. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to find and check which graphics card you have on Windows 11. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Knowing what graphics card you have is actually much easier than you might think. First, go down to the bottom of your screen. Right-click the Windows Start button. And from the menu that appears, click on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look for the section called Display Adapters. Click the small arrow next to Display Adapters to expand the list. Here, you'll see the name of your graphics card. For example, on my computer, it shows the graphic card here. That's it. Now you know exactly which graphics card is installed on your PC. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. See you in the next one.